So let's say you're in the market for a car, but you're not sure what your options are because your credit is not that great or it's probably on the low side. But regardless of your credit situation, you still need a car. So basically what I'm gonna do today is just make this quick video to kind of guide you and give you a little bit of insight of what you need, what documents you should have handy, so that you can make your approval process as easy and as fast as possible. Now the very first one is your down payment. So if you're credit challenged, your down payment is extremely important, because having a down payment increases your chances of getting approved, and it also increases the total loan amount that you may qualify for. Now your down payment amount does vary. It usually depends on every single person, what their exact credit situation is, but we usually try to work with whatever down payment you have available. Now the average amount that lenders typically ask for is between 10 to 15% of the total loan amount. So for example, if your maximum loan amount is $15,000, 10% of that will be $1,500, and 15% of that will be $2,250. Now lenders do have some sort of requirements when it comes to your monthly income. The minimum that they accept is $1,800 a month. That's basically before taxes. That should be what you make monthly. I've had also some uncommon cases where customers only make $1,500 a month and we're still able to get them approved, but that's on a case-by-case basis. Now the second one that you're gonna need is your proof of income, which basically is your most recent paycheck stub, or if you're self-employed, then you will need your most recent 3 months of bank statements. Having your proof of income is very important, because this shows your lender that you do have a job, that you're stable, and that you're able to make the monthly payments if you are able to be approved for a loan. The third one is going to be your proof of residence. So basically any utility bill that you have that has your name and current address on it. It's also important because this is the address where they're gonna mail your welcome package, which has your account information, when you're gonna make your payments, and other important sensible information like that. One important thing to know is also that not all lenders are the same. Some of them do require different requirements or stipulations, as we like to call them. So some of them may even ask you for references, up to 10 references that I've seen in my case. I'm not sure why, but this is just something that they require in order to get you approved. One of the things that I've also seen that is very common now is having your phone bill. I think the reason that they require the phone bill now is because nowadays you can just go online and make your own phone number. You can just call through Wi-Fi. So they just want to make sure that just in case they need to reach you, that there's a direct phone line with your name related to that phone number, so that they can reach you at any time. So now let's say you have your down payment and you have all the documents in order to proceed with the loan, but you're still hesitant because there is a repossession reported on your credit. Now don't lose hope yet, because we can still manage to get you approved. Like I said, some banks are completely different. They make exceptions sometimes, but the average standard is that your repossession must be at least 1 year or older before any other lender can actually start taking a look and see if you're able to qualify. Now the last thing is more of a recommendation rather than a requirement, and that will be for you to find a co-signer that has slightly better credit or higher credit than you. This is dramatically going to increase your chances of getting approved. Most likely they're going to ask for less requirements, they're going to ask for a lower down payment, and it's going to save you a little bit of money as well. And like I said, it's going to increase your chances of getting approved dramatically.